Hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. Right, so this is what I gave you guys last week. The market opened right here, and as I had mentioned, I would expect them to trade above this order high or the swing high right there, and then to trade lower into the bullish order block. Right, we find support and opportunities to buy from there. But as you can see, they did not come down as low as this bullish order block. They did somehow trade the weeks of the breaker block in here before continuing to take out, well, this high created right there. Came back, traded the high, and then ultimately went to trade to take buy side liquidity right there, and then right there before reversing. Right, so one thing that I'd like to remind you is that this week is NFP week, so we've got to be careful with our trades for this week. Right, so I marked my chart a couple of hours ago, and I was hoping to have sent you an analysis. Right, so basically we opened and then we traded into an area where I'd like to see price reverse, and yes, on Monday we saw price trade as high as 72 pips above there, but then would have missed the entry. So initially we were going to wait for market structure breaks in here, which is exactly what we're going to do. Above here on this H4 chart, we've already created I would say a swing high, which if we trade above, right, becomes a break in market structure. We come back in here, right, either to trade the breaker block up here, all right, or come all the way down and trade. Well, this candle is too big, all right, to become a bullish order block. But nevertheless, this whole region is what we're going to be looking at when we are going to activate our trades, right? But this is actually on H4 chart, right? So you might want to zoom down to an H1 chart to see, is there any market structure being created in here, right? That is price move above there and then come down in here. We can activate our trades, right? Targeting the 0.9980 institutional level, right? And above that, we have a little bit of a fair value gap right there, right? We might also seek to close that fair value gap, right? Somewhere in there, and then ultimately above the bodies of the candles in here, right at 1.008. That should be a logical area to take profit, right? Anything above these marked zones would be bonus for you guys on Euro USD. So remember, this week is a little bit volatile. We should trade with care, and hopefully we get something out of Euro USD.